Amazon Basics. Sometimes Amazon Basic is all you need. You don't need to go high end. You don't need to get the most expensive item out there. The basics sometimes do what the higher end items would do. Now the question is that the case with a tripod? Let's find out. Hello everyone, my name is Jutan Al Ahmed and today we're unboxing the Amazon Basics tripod. With what? An Amazon Basics knife. Let's go. I have always got ridiculous sized boxes, don't I? Let's cut this up with a Amazon knife. That's crazy. Do you know what? This knife is actually good. Obviously you guys see me normally use my other my other knife, lol. I've actually purchased 2 tripods. I'm only going to be unboxing one of these, but it's literally the same thing twice. This is the box of one. Let me just get it out. Let me just pop this on the floor. And the Amazon logo is everywhere. A to Z. Did you guys know that Amazon is like that because it goes A to Z? The logo. And we'll go into business another day, lol. This is an Amazon basic item. It's a tripod. It's 60 inches. It's got a fluid head. Like top. That's crazy. And the crazy thing is, take a guess how much it is. Like, I'm gonna mention it somewhere in this video. Comment down below right now just to guess how much this is. It's nuts. It's nuts. Let me put into perspective. I was gonna buy a small rig head for like the tripods I already have. It's cheaper than that. This is crazy. So I thought, you know what? Let me just buy a couple of tripods just to put like my iPads on so I can see myself when I'm recording. Anyways, lightweight tripod with tripod bag, and it doesn't say here, but there's basically a bit of a fluid head. The quality obviously isn't going to be immaculate. However, it does the basics. Lol, Amazon Basics. Anyways, anyway, made in China. Creates other languages which I can't read. Amazon Basic products purchased from Amazon.com. I'm sure, yeah, I think I did buy it from Amazon.com or Amazon.co.uk, I don't know. Anyways, let's cut it on that side. Oh, it's just sellotaped, that's all it is. The reason that I actually have these, well, so many tripods, I've got 4 tripods I use. Actually 5. That's crazy, I've got so many. Basically, I'm getting sick and tired of how expensive these tripods are and how many I need. So this is, wow, okay, the box is empty there, but this is very, very, very low quality, which I expected. I'll tell you the price soon, lol, if you're anticipating that. But yeah, zip, very, very low quality materials. But let me just show you the actual tripod. Do you know, I wasn't even expecting a bag, if I be honest. It's just something that's nice that it has. The color's awful as well, let's be honest. I like the black ones. Who the hell wants a silver tripod? If you do have one, I apologize. We're just different people, you and I. But that's it. The Amazon Basic branding is there, as you can see. I think this is just an area just to hold some stuff. I'm just going to leave it there. Hopefully it's okay to see. There's a hook at the end. I think you can put weights and stuff. And this is the head that I was talking about. So I'm just going to show you like this. So one of the main reasons that I got this is because of this here. This detachable little section here. Basically, I was gonna get one from Small Rig, and I thought, do you know what? This this is so bad quality. But the thing is, it's gonna do the job. This is the main thing about what I'm trying to say here. Amazon Basics actually does the job. Now, I am coming onto the price. This was only £17.50 or something. That's nuts. £17.50. One of my other tripods is like £200. I know people that have tripods which is like £300-400, like Manfrotto ones. It's nuts. The basic for what I need it for is basically the basic will suffice. Fluid head, as I said. Let me just show you here how you use it. You basically untwist it and then, yeah, you can make it go a bit slower. I don't really need that. However, sometimes I basically put my camera in odd angles and just test it, and I always move everything around. This is to loosen this part as well. Oh, sorry, that's to loosen this. See, I didn't even know that this head does that. I won't ever need that, but you can put it in like odd other angles. You can. This is the budget. This is just how you know how it's budget. Like my Manfrotto one, you have like clips. It's very easy access. This tightens it so it won't come down, I think. Yep, that's what it does too. I made it a bit too tight. Anyway, yeah. This is the budget. I can't believe this. It's still nuts. The quality is not that bad. It's basic. It's worse than my like Manfrotto one. But yeah, all I'm gonna let me explain, just so you guys understand. I'm literally gonna have two cameras, which is my setup. I use a couple of cameras. I use around 3-4 cameras in total, but I'm gonna have. Well, I already have, but for this, I'm gonna have two cameras. My FX3, my A7R4, and they're obviously in static positions. I just need it to be a bit sturdy so they don't fall over, which they shouldn't because nobody comes into my room. Lol. I'm sure they don't. I've got kids. They do come in. Anyway, and then obviously my other tripods are for my iPads, etc., and like lighting. That's it. I wouldn't really recommend this if you were going to take it to a professional event. This isn't for. This isn't to take to professional events. I don't want to say it's not for professionals. Professionals can use this, but it depends on the environment. As I mentioned, where I am, a studio environment, it's perfect. But if you were to take it to a wedding environment where there's clients, where there's guests, and they like see this, first and foremost, there's branding. I know that it sounds bad, but you obviously don't want to look cheap, lol. But it does the job. It's not that heavy duty. What that means is, wow, my voice is going. What that means is basically this could topple over, especially in a live event. You don't want that. I don't recommend this for like taking to weddings or events, even if you're doing like portrait photography for clients. Home use, excellent, perfect. You should. I can't recommend this more. It's just crazy. Everybody needs this, even if you just want it in the house. 1750. It's nothing. That sounds so bad. It's nothing compared to how much tripods actually go for. That's what I mean. By the way, £17.50 is still a lot. Even £1 is a lot. You can always feed the poor, etc. People which are unfortunate. So I don't want to ever say, oh, it's not a lot. But in the grand scale of things, £17.50 is nothing compared to how much these other tripods charge. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing and me ranting over my tripods. Don't know why I'm holding it like this, like a child. Lol. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, do like my video and do subscribe to my channel if you're new here. I appreciate you all. Thank you for watching. And lastly, let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. Take it all. See you all next time. Bye bye.